All right, well, good morning to all of you, and it's looking pretty good out there today. Temperatures slightly warmer than yesterday morning. And here's a view right now, Coit Tower. So it looks a dim orange. It's been orange for the Giants. Of course, the home opener was yesterday, and there's another game today, so I do want to show you that forecast. It's at 4:15 first pitch. We're going to have a few clouds rolling into town in time for that. So partly cloudy skies, 64 degrees as the Giants play the Mariners, and then the A's are playing later on tonight, and temperatures for that should feel pretty comfortable. Again, more cloud coverage coming through for that 7:05 game in Oakland. Here's a look at SFO right now. You can see kind of gloomy conditions out there. I just checked. Flights don't seem to be delayed because of the cloud coverage. Temperatures in San Francisco 51, 50 degrees for Livermore, Oakland at 51. Your afternoon highs are going to feel pretty comfortable. Mid-60s around the Bay and low 70s for many inland locations across the North Bay. Fairfield 71. San Jose may be a bit warmer at 74 degrees. Here's what's coming. We have all this cloud coverage out here in the Pacific, and that's what's building as far as all the moisture is concerned. So the clouds will arrive by tomorrow. Then 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, that's when we'll start to see some of that rain. The rain right now is hovering right near Hawaii, and it's all forming this atmospheric river. So that's a lot of moisture that's making a straight line for Northern California. That's why those rain totals now are looking even higher than initially forecast. So it looks like we're getting a low and the atmospheric river to combine, and that's what's going to bring us pretty good amount of rain, especially for San Francisco now. The number just bumped up to 3 to 4 inches for the peninsula, 3 to 6 across the North Bay, South Bay a little less than that, and East Bay 2 to 3 inches. Santa Cruz Mountains will also get a dumping. We could see 7 to 8 inches for some of those higher elevations, and that's why there's a flood watch in effect across the Sierra as well because of that flooding potential. 7-day forecast, though, shows the rain will really get here Thursday afternoon, heavy on Friday, Saturday continuing to bring some showers, and then drying up for Sunday. And that's your forecast. Michelle.